Want to build amazing websites and web applications? You're in the right place. Today, we're laying out the complete web development roadmap, a step-by-step guide to help you become a coding pro. Web development is a dynamic and in-demand field with tons of opportunities for creative and technically skilled individuals. Let's break down the skills and steps you need to take. Step 1. Front-end fundamentals, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. This is where you build the user interface, what users see and interact with. Learn HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. Step 2. Version control. Git, master Git for managing your code, collaborating with other developers, and tracking changes. Step 3. Front-end frameworks, libraries, React, Angular, Vue.js. These tools make building complex user interfaces much easier and more efficient. React is currently the most popular. Step 4. Back-end fundamentals, server-side languages and databases. This is where you handle the server-side logic and data storage. Learn a server-side language like Node.js, JavaScript, Python, PHP, or Ruby on Rails, and a database like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or MongoDB. Step 5. APIs, application programming interfaces. Learn how to connect your front-end and back-end and how to interact with third-party services. Step 6. Development tools and workflow. Get comfortable with code editors, VS Code, Sublime Text, browser developer tools, and build tools. Step 7. Build projects and a portfolio. The best way to learn is by doing. Build personal projects to showcase your skills and create a portfolio to impress potential employers. Step 8. Stay up to date. The web development world is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is crucial. Follow blogs, attend conferences, and engage with the community. This roadmap provides a solid foundation for your web development journey. Remember to focus on consistent practice and building real-world projects. What are your web development goals? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more web development tips and tutorials.